So here we are, people. We here at Brady Pat RC purchased some Duratrax Showdown CR 1.9 tyres. These are going to go on the Honcho. They come in a reusable bag, as you can see. And if you look on the rear of the packaging, you can see some tips for keeping the life in your tyres, gluing tips, and just some basic information on these tyres. So let's get to them. Here they are, Showdown CRs. I was going to get the deep woods, but I might get those type for another rig. They come pre-mounted, nice and soft. No beadlocks, just imitation beadlocks there, but they look quite good for a budget tyre. I'm going to offer them up next to the stock Falcon tyres on the Honcho there. As you can see, they are a little bigger, not too much, maybe 5-10 mil higher. Overall, they're going to be look to be a good tyre. So, mounted the new Showdown Duratrax tyres onto the Honcho. I think they look pretty cool now. Done the Honcho some justice there by upgrading the tyres. They look pretty cool. I could do justice to the tyres now. I'm giving the truck a good clean. But anyway, let's get it out in a sec and have a look on our backyard trail and just overall performance driving around the backyard here. And one thing I forgot to mention as well that comes in each packet is some decals. We love decals. Not sure what I'm going to do with those yet, but however, let's get this out and running and let's see. So there we have the new Duratrax Showdown CR C3 1.9 tyres onto the Honcho. Nice little treat for the truck. Got some flex going on there, as you can see in the picture there. But really impressed straight away with the grip of these new tyres on the first part of the backyard trail course. Also you can see in there the Savox 1210 servo upgrade that was done a while back, flashing nice and blue there. But anyway, really impressed with these tyres. Get some more videos done, get some more of that backyard trail built, and get some more videos posted up and just see what these tyres can do. So thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, comment in the box below. There will be a link there as well for the tyres from the place I purchased them, Modelsport UK. I'm sure you can get them anywhere in the world from likes of Amazon and places like that. I do recommend these tyres at this moment in time. They seem to fit the truck really well. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, like, comment, you know the rest. Have fun, happy RCing.